Hello everybody, it's Michelle, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do this super simple napkin fold to look like a terracotta flower pot. And the color is really the main thing that makes this look like a flower pot. That iconic terracotta color really helps out in making this look like a flower pot. And these are in the color Pumpkin Spice. I think I may have gotten these around fall time, but they are still available online, and I'll leave you guys a link to where I got them. And those are the dinner size napkins, but you could do it with the small ones also. And I'll show you guys a couple of ways to turn this into a place setting. Okay, so I've got my dinner napkin here, and I need to get rid of this edge here. And where this is on the outer edge, it's going to be fine. You don't want to cut any folded edges because then your napkin's going to fall apart. These are all loose edges, and it's that ribbed border that we need to get rid of. And when you cut loose edges, you're just making your napkin smaller, so it's going to be just fine. And I'm just going to cut right along the line of that ribbing and just get rid of that. And you guys are not going to believe how super simple this is. So now we have our ribbed edging along the top. And I'm just going to hold my thumbnail there just to make sure that I only fold from there down, and I don't want to fold my ribbed edge yet. So I'm going to fold from there to about an inch in on this corner here. And you can just eyeball it. You don't have to measure. If you want to measure, that's perfectly fine too. But I'm just going for about an inch down there on that widest part. Just to give it that taper. You can take your bone folder and help crease those folds if you need to. And again, on this side, I'm going to hold with my thumbnail and fold from there to about an inch wide. Again, crease it. And these would be good to make ahead of time and put these in a book or under a stack of books or something, and you could have them all laying very flat. If you did them the day ahead, by the next day they would all be great. So now I'm going to flip that over and then just fold down along the edge of that ribbed border right there. And that is the little lip on our flower pot. And it's super simple. That's it, you guys. That's all it takes to make a flower pot napkin fold. Now, see, that's trying to come up, but once you put that under some books or something overnight, it's going to lay flat for you. You can put something heavy on it and just leave that to flatten out. And once it is flattened out, it's up to you how you're going to continue your decorating of your flower pot. If you want your napkin to hold your utensils, as is pretty traditional, then you can get some of those in green and just put them right under and let that imply some little sprouts, maybe something coming up in the flower pot. Or if you want to put your utensils somewhere else, you could instead just put a couple of stems of artificial flowers down behind there. And there you've got a really gorgeous little table setting with flowers coming out of your flower pot napkin. I think that is so cute and so much fun. I think I like this setting best, and we'll find somewhere else to put our utensils, and I've got an idea for that for you guys too. That'll be coming up in another video very soon, so be watching for that. And how simple is this for such a cute, adorable look? And I know that we're all so busy. Party planning can be very hectic and time consuming. So when you can get place settings that are this cute but are this quick and easy, that's always a win. So leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.